to my channel. So I'm really excited to show all of you this. This Jan Lauren lip and cheek balm. I got all the shades. Thank you so much. And ipapakita ko sa inyo yung lip swatches niya. Actually, I won't talk too much anymore. So if you are interested in this video, then please keep on watching.
I'm so ice cold, good humor. They say I'm out of my mind. Standing on the outside, but it's cooler, it's fresher.
Okay, so yung first ano ba yan? Lagi na nakakalimutan. Okay, so yung first shade na itatry ko is yung Babe. Oh my god, ang init ng ring light. Okay, so this is Babe. Ayan. Ito yung kulay niya. God, so ayan. Alam niyo yung color nito? Yung parang, yung bagong iyak ka lang. Ganon yung color ng Babe. So we're done with Babe. Yung salita eh. Oh my god, puno siya! Ganito siya kadami. God! Girl! Oh my god. Is it broken? Ingat lang kasi baka mamaya maputol to. Don't expect na long-lasting siya. Obviously, it's a balm. Oh my god, broken. It's broken. Kala ko naman puno. Sirapan. Try ko ulit. Okay. Okay, so let's move on to the next color. Ayaw niyang bumaba. So, kailangan i-push ko pa siya bago siya bumaba. Ganun. Okay, so let's move on to the next color. So, this is Naked. Ayan. By the way, this swatch niya, pakita ko sa inyo. This is Naked. Okay, so let's move on to the next color. Hindi rin siya nagli-leave ng stain. Basta kung tanggal siya. Pero para sa akin, sulit na siya for $129. You get a moisturizer, you get the color that you want, and it's matte finish. So, saan ka pa, diba? Okay, so this is Hermosa. So, yung swatch niya. Ayan. Ito yung Hermosa. Ganda! I swear, ang ganda niya. I'm not kidding. Okay, I have my new favorite. Ito din gagamitin ko every day sa school. Hindi ako nagsawa. So, let's move on to the last shade. Okay, so yung last shade is MAUVELOUS. Ayan. Ayan. Ito yung MAUVELOUS. Okay, guys. Init. Okay, so yun lang naman. Sobrang saglit lang kasi apat lang naman yung shades. Ano ba sabihin ko, di ba? Ingredients niya. Basta may nakalagay mismo dito sa packaging niya ng ingredients. So if you want to know more about this product, you can just check this out. Tapos i-search sa Google kung marami kayong time. Talagang makasisa kayo sa lip balm. So anyway, so thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this video. And if you did, please give this video a thumbs up and turn on the notification bell. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe now. Then, if you have any other suggestions on what I should be filming in this video, then please feel free to comment it down below. I am more than happy to take down notes. So that's it everyone. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye!